Dina here with Just Move Fitness. Returning back to you for the kettlebell burpee exercise that a few of you were interested in learning a how to. So this will be super quick. I'm going to show you how to do the kettlebell burpee. First, when choosing your kettlebell, I would choose something uncomfortably comfortable. So a weight that's going to challenge you, but you can manage if you're just starting out. With the kettlebells, they're unstable when you go into your plank. So anything under 20 pounds, the kettlebells are smaller. They're gonna be more challenging to stabilize your wrist. So unfortunately, you might have to start with something heavier than you're used to. But it's really not that hard because you're only going to be picking them up and holding them when you get up from your burpee. So it's really not that bad. So let's begin. I'm going to show you the kettlebell burpee. So first, you want to address the kettlebells if you've never worked with them before. So right now I have them in front of my toes, and I'm just gonna hinge at the hips to bring them into about a shoulder width position. So when I come into my plank position, I'm ready to do the push-up part of the burpee. So in burpees, by the way, can be done with or without the push-up. We're gonna add the push-up today. So let's begin. So feet are about hip width, shoulder width. I'm gonna squat down, hips go back, shins are vertical. I'm gonna bring my weight into my wrists and into my hands. I can either step back. If you're just starting out, this might be a better place to begin because this is really wobbly. And if you are not new to this exercise and you want to challenge yourself, you can go ahead and hop back. And make sure you're hopping light on the toes. So now we can actually, from our push-up position, you'll notice I'm in a nice straight line from head to toes. We can add the push-up. Make sure you exhale on the push-up. I can either step forward, again, ending or position myself into that squat, and then I can come up from there. And all you're doing is picking up the kettlebells, using your legs, or I can jump forward, which is the standard burpee, and then come up. And when I'm finished with my whole set, you want to make sure that you are using your legs to bring the kettlebells back to starting position. So this is what it looks like. This is what the whole thing looks like pulled all together. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed that really quick tutorial on how to do a kettlebell burpee. Let me know if there's any other exercises you would like to see. I'm happy to show them to you in the next tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.